Hello everyone. So today we'll be looking at 6th grade lesson 8. So number 1, there are 6 women for every 4 men in the Sam's father's company. Which of the following ratios is equivalent to the ratio of men to women? So we have 4 men and 6 women. And we want to reduce this as much as possible, so we divide this by 2 to get 2 to 3. And that is our answer. Number 2, the ratio of baseball pitchers to catchers in Mike's baseball league is 4 to 1. Which of the following is equivalent to this ratio? So, we have here it's 4 to 1, and we want to look in our answer choices here, and we want to find the one that matches this 4 to 1 ratio. So the answer is B here, because when we do this, we do 32 to 8, we divide by 8 on both sides to get this. We want this master ratio to be our last one. So therefore, we divide by 8 on both sides to get 4 to 1. Alright, next one. Number 3. On the Longview professional basketball team, there are 2 Europeans for every 8 Americans. Which of the following is equivalent to this ratio? Okay, so we know that there's 2 Europeans for every 8 Americans. We want to find the one that fits this most, and so we'll just simplify it, see if it's on here. And it is on here, so C, because we divide 2 on both sides to get 1 to 4. It's our ratio. Number 4, Benjamin's father is a writer working on his new book. He wrote 33 pages of his new book in 6 days. At this rate, how many pages will Benjamin's father write in 8 days? So to do this one, we get this. We can make our... Hold on. I think what they meant to say... Oh, wait, no. This is actually right. Okay. So we get 33 to 6. So I think if we divide 3 on both sides, we'll still get the same answer. So 11 to 2. Oh, okay. So we got 11 to 2. And now we wanted 8 days. So we put 8 days here. And in order to get 8, we multiply 4 here. So we'll also multiply 4 on here too. And get 44. 44 is what we want because it's the amount of pages. So 44 is our answer. Okay, next one. Sonia wants to buy 0.4 kilograms of honey. The price of honey is $8 per kilogram. How much will Sonia pay for 0.4 kilograms of honey? So we know the price is 1 for 8 right now, because 1's a kilogram, and we want 0.4 here. We don't know the price yet, but what we did here was we multiplied this by a factor of... We can find this out by saying 1 times 0.4, which didn't work here. Okay, so 1 times 0.4, and okay, so here is actually the factor that they did. It was 4/10, which actually is 0.4, but in this case we'll just do 4/10. So multiply this by 4 over 10 as well. So 8 times 4 over 10 is 32 over 10, which is 3.2. And 3.2 is an answer choice here. This is actually the answer as well. So, yeah. Okay, so David rode a bicycle at a speed in a local bike race. He rode 36 miles in 3 hours. What was the speed of David riding his bicycle in the race? So we know it's 36 in 3 hours, but we also know this too. Then from this, we can tell the hours we can get, which we just divide by 3. We'll get 12 miles in a span of 1 hour. And with that, we know it's 12 miles per hour, which here is the next one. Small's Toy Factory creates 168 toys in 12 hours. At this rate, how many toys does Small's Toy Factory create in 5 hours? So 168 to 12, we divide 12 on both sides. Dividing on 12 on both sides will actually get us 14 on here and 1 on here. And since we want the hours to be 5, we multiply this by 5 to get 70. And 70 is our answer, which is A. And number 8, Lily bought 12 pounds of apples for $16. How many pounds of apples can Lily buy for 20? So 20 pounds of apples for $16. Now we put 20 here. They multiplied 5 over 4 on here. So also multiply 5 over 4 on here, which will get us... Oh, I think I did this wrong. Oh, I multiplied by 15 over 4. Not 5 over 4. So you get 60, which is 15. Which this would be 15. And that is A. So here we go. Last one. The speed of the school bus is 60 miles per hour. How many miles will the bus go in 2 hours and 15 minutes? Okay, so we know it's 60 miles per hour, and it wants us to know the ones in 2 hours and 15 minutes. I'll actually write this as 25, because 15 divided by 60 is actually it's actually 1/4. So we multiplied 2.25 to get here. So also multiply 2.25 to get here, which is 1350. And that is C. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you guys on the